Are you looking for a house in Enfield, Connecticut? Well, I think Steph here has you all hooked up. We are at 5 Brook Road. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Why don't you take us inside and show us around?
Come look around.
All right, Steph, we come right into just a really nice, cozy living area. Let's go around the corner. What do we got next?
An updated kitchen. There's a dining area, granite counters, stainless appliances, and this great breakfast bar area. A lot of great features here, Brad. We've got thermopane windows, natural gas, central air, fenced-in yard, and a fully finished basement.
Down the hall, how many bedrooms do we have here on the first floor?
So there's 2 down here, a total of 5-bedroom house, which is really great. But we've got 2 on the main level and a full updated bath.
We're gonna go upstairs and we've got 2 bedrooms, one on either side of this staircase up here, right?
Yep, but wait, open these French doors that lead over to the primary suite.
Oh wow, this is great. A wide open, large primary, and there's a second staircase that actually goes back down into the kitchen.
Yep, it leads right down into the kitchen, breezeway area, right off the 2-car garage.
Really desirable neighborhood location, close to the Massachusetts line and the highways. Everything's pretty convenient here. If you want a private tour of this place, hit Steph up. She'll give you a private tour. If you're looking for some financing options, hit me up. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Enfield, thanks for having us. We're out of here.